All right. Hey guys, how's everyone? So I'm recording, doing everything perfect. So today I am looking for not bearish, bullish price action. Why? Because of the 4-hour SMT forming on Monday. This is low probable, so that means the previous high probable 4-hour SMT and the confirmation. So SMT will be the daily bias and not daily bias, but the trend bias right here. You can see it's going bullish. And yeah, all asset has took the previous week's high. ESNQYM has taken previous week's high, whilst FTSE has not. But when it was taken on the ESNQYM taking the previous week's high was on Monday, so that is a low probable for our SMT, and any confirmation SMT, it will likely fail. So with that in mind, we then had, I just made a note of this. So during the day, this is what I found out. During the day, like the daily cycle, the 15-minute SMT will likely be the catalyst of price movement, right? So every day it resets, right? And the 15-minute, there needs to be a 15-minute, right? If there's an opposing 15-minute, then we need another 15-minute to be in sync for a higher price, right? With that in mind, 15-minute, we have a two-stage. Pretty much the entry sequence is pretty much the two-stage of it. Right now, we don't have, we don't have any news, right? We only have regular trading hour as news. As you can see, nothing here. Oh, yeah, nothing here. So, yeah, nothing there. And yeah, we're going to continue seeing higher price right there. I made some tweaks with my stuff. So we need a 50, yeah, like I just told you, 15-minute SMT. It resets every day, and then we need a second stage confirming the 15-minute, so it can either be a 5-minute or the 1-minute, right? And once that, no, only the 5-minute, sorry. Only if there's a high impact volatility like red folder at 8:30 New York time or 1:30 my time, UK time. We can only use after past that. We can use the 1 minute, and then any other time, just the 5-minute pretty much. So that's what happened here. I entered around this section at 11 o'clock. Then we had this was a pretty much a unicorn model, but we had a change in state occurred right here, and then yeah, entered like that. So maybe utilizing unicorn model again, but yeah. But right now, yes, we did have a Q1 SMT right here, but there was no news at regular trading, no news here, so this would be invalid. But now price is expanding higher as expected. There's a potential, yeah, a 1-minute SMT right now, and we just need a gap to form, and then yeah, that's it. And you can see here, I'm already in a trade right here. I did lose my funded, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. We're gonna come back stronger. So yeah, we got that, and we do have an SMT here, but I wouldn't really utilize this SMT. Maybe I would. We'll see. We'll see. But yeah, that's pretty much it. What else? Yeah, that's it. We're just gonna let the price run. I am currently up 800 right now. Um, yeah, pretty good. Pretty good trade. So one thing I've learned is that there must be a so each day, right, has its 15-minute SMT, right? And it resets every day. And we need a confirmation for that, right? So 15-minute confirmed by a 5-minute, right? Why 5-minute? Because the 5-minute we can use it anytime, anywhere, not anywhere, but anytime. But if it occurs during and after high impact news events, like regular trading hour for this case, or a 1:30 news, or a 3 o'clock news, my time, then we can utilize the 1 minute, and then we can use the 1 minute confirmation for the 15-minute, right? So it's all about sequence, it's all about confirmation, it's all about that. And then following the high impact, no, following the daily candle expansion, which is the 4 hour and the confirmation SMT. And then yeah, we can see higher prices pretty much. Like here, we have a SMT right there. Yes, we did have that, but I think if there was a news at 1:30, then we can utilize the 1 minute SMT maybe. Or maybe using yeah. Yeah, okay. It's going pretty good. Really good. I did, yeah, one thing I did lose on Monday, I overtraded, which kind of sucks. It set me back. I shouldn't have done that. But we learn. I mean, I learn, and we'll continue going forward from here, you know? So, you can't really complain, you know? Can't really be sad of it, because it was kind of my fault, you know? And I realized that, and yeah, one thing I realized is that I'm not disciplined, you know? I say these things, I do things, I recognize things, but in that moment, it's hard. I can't like notice it, you know? So I need to slowly notice these type of thoughts, notice yeah, these actions, and what I can do after. What can, do I give in to the temptation, stuff like that. I need to like change that. And that's the one thing I'm currently battling. That's the one thing that I'm currently going to do. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for me. Good lesson on Monday. And yeah, I was quite excited to get a payout, because I thought, all right, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, win that. And then, yeah, like that already. In my mind, I already have set, okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, win. No other choice, So, and you can't really function like that. You can't go th go through trading like that, because if you have a set mind, if you expect something, you're not balanced. You're gonna force things. You're gonna do some dumb stuff, and yeah, hopefully you guys can learn from this, like experience this, and if you're going through this as well, um, I think one solution for this is accountability, and you have a someone beside you whilst you trade, and they'll be like, all right, because in that moment you won't really realize you'll be blinded by things, and yeah. And another thing is taking journal, doing a journaling things, write down your thoughts, all that to push out or put anything in your mind, any negative or overthinking thought into paper is out of your system. And then during the trading time, you'll be more level-headed. So yeah, um, yeah, that's pretty much it. This is pretty much a live trade. Later, I'm gonna do a recap on what's gonna happen or what happened pretty much. Right now, I'm in a trade. Um, gonna aim for 1.5. We have our risk to reward right here. So once we hit 3R, gonna put it to break even right here. Yeah, around there, 3R, break even. Put the stop to entry, and then go to 1.5 pretty much. Right now, I did take a loss. I think it was like 200 or 3, I don't know. Or 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like 400 pretty much. Yeah, 400. And it went past my loss limit, right? So another thing, I need to be more patient. I have a set rule that allows me to, it's backed by data. I've won multiple times. I've passed multiple accounts, but I'm just over trading, over leveraging, and I need to change that. Like yeah, I think it's the mindset of, okay, I have other things that I need to have, like expenses that I need to pay off, all that type of stuff. And yeah, this this I know this will work. I know it will work, and I might read Mark Douglas, The Disciplined Trader. I might, because, yeah, I don't have social media anymore. I deleted that shit because I realize I'm comparing myself with people my age who's already, set off. They're like, I'm seeing like people with like um Mercedes, BMWs, like all that type of stuff, and more it made me push more. Like, yeah, it's a good thing, but I need to. I They might have. I like. I'm a. I'm a. I'm a human being, right? I have my own stuff. My cards are dealt out for a specific reason, right? And I can't really compare because they have their own deck of cards, and I have my own deck of cards that have like pros, cons, all that type of stuff. And I need to play with my deck of cards. I can't really like, all right, oh, imagine myself having these type of cards because that's you're not playing the real game. So yeah, if you get what I mean, what I'm trying to say is that ignore people in your age, right, who is already set off, who already has their business, who's already, trading, I don't know, a lot of money, right? Earning 10K per month, and I'm not there yet. I'm in the starting stage right now. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I need to realize that I need to take it slow. I need to follow my plan, like be disciplined, not overtrade, not over leverage. Like already I've overtrade by uh one trade, right? I already took two trades already. That's why my thingy was already lost, right? So yeah, so maybe next time I need to not force things unless there's, yeah, not force things, right? I already have a plan. I already have like a checklist what I go through, what I look for, all that type of stuff, and I just need to follow my plan pretty much. Like yeah. I might make some notes. I might do some stuff to remind myself. Yeah. 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 So I just need to follow my plan. I just need to do what I need to do, pretty much. So that being said, I'm gonna let this play out, and during the night, when the market closed, when the market is closed, I'll do do a recap, and then yeah, I'm gonna do this video every day, pretty much, 5 days a week, and just it will allow me to hold be accountable of my action, because I'm I'm showing you this, I'm telling you this, I need to fix things. It's all about trial and error, and I know I'm gonna make it. So yeah, a lot to learn, a lot to learn. I have like notes around my monitor, and I think I need to update it, make it more suitable for me, pretty much. And yeah, yeah, you guys take care, be safe. One thing, always go outside. Um, just enjoy life. That's what I'm gonna say. And don't push too much, because it's gonna bite you in the ass. So don't push too much. Push enough till you're progressing, but not too much that you're affecting your health. Because the health is the most important thing. That's one thing I realized. So yeah, you guys take care. You guys be safe. Good luck trading. And yeah, take care. Hope you learned something from this. Bye bye.